Hello, and welcome to the Faculty of Science at the University of Helsinki. My name is Kai Nordlund. I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Science, which means that they lead the activities at this faculty. So in this video, I'd really like to very warmly welcome you all to your studies at the Faculty of Science. I still remember when about 30 years ago I started myself the studies at this same faculty. I remember that the first weeks were often confusing. As I realized that the studies are quite different from what they were back in high school. Also it took, of course, a good while to familiarize yourself with the places and what everything is going on. Now for you, this year, we realized that things might be even more confusing than usual because you're starting your studies in these exceptional COVID circumstances. And because of the COVID, we have had to reorganize our first year and actually all the teaching in manners which we have never done before. And we had to do this on a rather tight schedule over the summer. So we realize not everything may work perfectly immediately, that there may be problems, communication gaps and so on. So we hope for your understanding for this, but also that encourage you to be active, that if something isn't working or if you're not getting the information you need, don't hesitate to ask. You can contact the teacher, the study planners, your tutors, or ask around about things. Of course, we try to make sure that all the information is on the web page, the study guide, so you can of course also look there. Overall, the way we reorganize the teaching has of course a balance between, on one hand, the health issues, and on the other hand, our desire that you do become a member of the university community, that you can also study at the university premises. And because of this, when we plan these fall studies, we restrict the presence, the number of people that can be present, taking the safety distances into account, but we put a priority on the first year student courses so that you would have a chance to have at least part of your studies physically in Kumpula or in the other university premises. And we have tried to find us the best possible solutions for this. Looking further, your studies will start now and continue. We are sure that sooner or later we will be able to organize the studies as usual with normal presence and so on. We really hope that you like it here at our faculty. Overall, the university is a quite different place from the schools. And also Finland is at least a somewhat different place from the other universities where some of you have already studied. And the biggest difference to the school worlds is probably that at the university the borderline between students and teachers is much more diffuse than it is back in schools. That is, even students can be teachers. Many of our students who have been a few more years at the university are already doing teaching in small groups as assisting teachers, and many students are actually also personnel. It's possible for students to get involved in research group and work at least part-time in research groups already during their studies. And on the other hand, the personnel also can attend courses. Maybe not so much on the first year courses, but on the higher level courses, it's quite common that PhD students who are employed at the university also attend the courses. Sometimes even more senior staffs who are interested in a topic may attend a course. But this thing of not having strict borderlines between students and teachers, we think it's very good. It makes it possible to have a really good community feeling where everybody feels that they are part of the same university and Faculty of Science community. At our faculty Kumpula, we are particularly proud that people do have a very good community feeling. People like to be here, people like to study and work here. In fact, now during the COVID situation, we have seen that many people really miss the working environment when we have been working remotely. And we look forward to the time, hopefully not so far from now, when people can again work and study in place in our university premises as much as they like. So I welcome you once again. You are very warmly welcome here, and I hope to see you both virtually and physically eventually around here in Kumpula. So welcome, and thank you for listening to this little video.